In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum columns and rows in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a budget, analyzing data trends, or simply organizing information, knowing how to quickly and easily sum values can save you a lot of time and effort. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. If you don't have one open already, head over to Google Sheets in your browser and open your desired file. Once you're in, navigate to the specific sheet where you want to perform your calculations. Next, click on cell B7. This cell will display the sum of a column we're about to calculate. Once you have cell B7 selected, you're going to type in the formula equals sum, open parenthesis, B2 to B6, close parenthesis. It should look like this, equals sum B2 B6. This formula tells Google Sheets to add all the values located in cells B2 through B6. If you're working with a different set of data, just adjust the cell references within the parentheses accordingly. Now, hit the Enter key. With this action, Google Sheets will automatically calculate the total of the selected numbers and display the result in cell B7. To make this process even more efficient, you can use the autofill feature. Click on cell B7 again and notice the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell known as the fill handle. Click and drag this fill handle from cell B7 across to cell D7. What you're doing here is instructing Google Sheets to apply the same summing logic to adjacent columns. This is particularly handy if you're working with a large data set where patterns repeat. Now let's switch gears a bit and focus on summing the rows. Select cell E2, which is where we want our row sum to appear. Here, we'll employ a similar formula. Type equals sum, open parenthesis, B2 to D2, close parenthesis. So what you have is equals sum, B2, D2. This tells Google Sheets to compute the sum of all values within the row, from columns B through D. Like before, change the cell references to fit the data you're working with. Press the Enter key to get the sum for the first row. Google Sheets will automatically calculate and display the result in cell E2. Just like summing columns, you can extend the row summation using the autofill feature. Click on the fill handle of cell E2 and drag it down through to E5. This action will apply the row summation formula to each selected row, saving you from typing out individual formulas repeatedly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can quickly and efficiently sum both columns and rows in Google Sheets. This skill will undeniably come in handy for a wide variety of tasks involving data analysis and management. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your Google Sheets experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.